Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix video is still processing error in Google Drive. To fix the video is still processing error, you can either wait for Google to finish transcoding the file or use a workaround to view it immediately. Processing happens so that Google Drive can provide different resolutions like 360 pixel or 180 pixel for streaming on various devices. The immediate workarounds would be to go ahead and select your specific file, video file, and then just tapping on this download button. Now the video will be directly downloaded to my device and I can view it without any processing. Or what we can do is go ahead and use video players like VLC Media Players. All we have to do is go ahead and tap on this dotted icon and three-dotted icon. From there you will find this option called Open With. Go ahead and tap on it and you will find option and you will be able to find this option called VLC Media Player. If you have downloaded it into your device, you will be able to find this option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now once you've tapped on it, the video should play without any processing. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.